How to redeem Bonvoy points. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Bonvoy points. Now, the way you can earn points is through hotel stays, credit card spending, tours and activity, and travel partners. After you have gained points, by doing the following activity, you can use your points. You can use them for hotel nights and more, flights and car rentals, Marriott Bonvoy moments, shopping and gift cards. For hotel nights, you can use only points, use cash plus points, and use point savers. So if you only want to use points, then you want to search for a stay with the pre-selected use points slash rewards, then select hotel and room type. Now review the reservation details. If any award is available for stay, it will be pre-selected. Now book your free nights. The value of your free night award can be combined up to 15,000 points. If you do not want to use your points for hotel stays, you can also redeem points when you travel. You can redeem or transfer your points to enhance your travel experience. If you need more points, you may purchase up to 100,000 points per calendar, and this is how you can redeem Bonvoy points. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.